Phonics with magical Mrs. Hutchins and Monster Crunch. How are you today? Are you well? You are? Fantastic. Well, this little sleepy monster and I would like to get on and explore another letter sound. But before we do, we might need to wake him up because he's still a teeny tiny bit sleepy. Shall we sing to him? You ready? Monster Crunch, how are you today? Monster Crunch, will you come and play? If I tickle your tummy just like this, I wonder what you'll do. Monster Crunch, won't you come and play? I wonder what our sound could be today. Do you think he's looking a little bit more awake? You do? I do too. Right, shall we dive straight in? Now remember, Monster Crunch is going to help us to find out what the letter sound's going to be today. He might have some objects hiding in his tummy and he might want to show us some things as well. Right, should we dive straight in? Okay. I'm not sure why he's showing us a piece of paper with an arrow on it. Here's an arrow on it. What's that? Monster Crunch wants to know which direction is the arrow pointing? Up? Yes, it is pointing up. I thought so too. So we've got an arrow that's pointing up. And what else have you got for us in here, you cheeky little monster? Shall we have a look and see? Right. I think I know what he wants us to look at. This is a cow, and a cow produces milk, and a cow collects milk in a special part of its body. Have you got any idea what the special part of the cow's body is called? Just under and by its back legs. Udders. Yes, well done you. So udders. A cow collects milk in its udders, and we've had an arrow pointing up. And hang on, I think Monster Crunch is trying to tell me something. Okay, and you didn't want to eat it? No. I can probably guess why you didn't, because it's quite big. Shall we show everybody? I think we should. Now, Monster Crunch has brought along another object, but this also starts with our letter sound, but he didn't actually eat it because it's quite large. I don't know if you can see, but it's almost bigger than he is. What could it be? Any ideas what this is called? I unfurl part of it. There we go. Got any ideas? Yes, it is. It's an umbrella. Now, can you remember which direction that arrow was pointing? It was pointing up, wasn't it? Well, on my umbrella, it's magical Mrs. Hutchins umbrella, there's a little arrow here that points up and down. What do you think is going to happen if I press the up part of the arrow? Shall we see? I don't know if you can see. You ready? I'll see if we can point it. I've no idea what's going to happen, so hold on to your hats. Are you ready? Should we see if we can point it? Ready, steady. Oh, goodness me! I pressed the up arrow and crikey, the umbrella has gone up. Right, I think possibly we might need to put the umbrella down, but I won't put it down over me because you won't be able to see Monster Crunch and I, so we might just get it out of the way. Right, we've got it. See if we can do that. Oh, there we go. We'll just put the umbrella out the way. Right. What's our letter today? Any ideas? You guessed it. Yes, it is. Well done you. Our letter today that we're looking at is the letter U that makes the sound. The letter U that makes the sound. So we've had umbrella, up, and udders. So I'm going to put the up on the board. Right, let's have a look and see. I've got a couple more things for you before we have a go at writing it. What was our sound? Can you remember? The letter U that makes the sound. Gosh, you're doing really, really well today. I'm very impressed. Right, the letter U, here it is, that makes the sound. How are we going to go about writing it? Shall I let you into a little secret? I think I should. If I turn this over, you will see on the other side that there is an umbrella. Can you see the umbrella? And can you see the puddle as well? Yeah? Right, well when we're writing a letter U, we have to say a little rhyme inside our heads that says down and under, up to the top and draw the puddle. So you've got to go down one side of the umbrella, down and under, so under the umbrella, up to the top again and back down to the puddle. So you're kind of drawing an upside down umbrella. Shall we have a go on the board? Yeah, I think we should too. Right, if you've got your pen or your pencil or your crayon ready, or even your finger, we can have a go at writing it. Are you ready? So we've got to say the little rhyme to ourselves. So we've got to go down and under, up to the top and draw the puddle. You ready? Down and under, up to the top and draw the puddle. So that's the little puddle there. Let's have a look and see. Yeah, doing pretty well. Let's see if we can do another one. Down and under, up to the top and draw the puddle. Yeah, looking pretty good. Done 2 U's so far. Let's have a go, and we're going to do one more, but I'm not going to say a word. How did we get on? What do you think? Ah, perfect. I'm just going to pop that upside down umbrella over there. Well, thank you very much for joining Monster Crunch and I. We've been looking at the letter U that makes the sound. We even opened an umbrella as well. That was a little bit sneaky cheeky, wasn't it? So Monster Crunch and I, we will see you again very, very soon. Thank you for joining us. Bye!